Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on Vivo V50. So we have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Firefox. Now click search and click install. And now you have to click open and then click agree and continue, and here you can select your default browser or you can click cancel, and now you can add Firefox widget or you can click not now. Here you can sign in to your Firefox account or you can click not now, and you can turn on notification or you can click not now again. Now you can select your theme or you can click save and continue, and here you can select your toolbar placement or you can click save and continue again. And as you can see, my Firefox browser is now installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.